These are the function first engine insert mounts, and they're available for the 987 and 981 Cayman and Boxster in all variants. Now these are a double urethane part, and they make them in a few different versions: a street, a sport, and a track. We have the sport for the 981 in front of us, and they're a double urethane part, so they do have some flexibility. As you go up, they become stiffer, so the track ones are stiffer than this, and basically just have more density to them. As you go up, obviously they're going to create a little bit more noise, vibration, harshness through the steering wheel and the chassis itself. So what this helps is the OEM engine mounts, the front and rear, have a rubberized mount, and that's obviously good for keeping things smooth, but it also allows the engine to kind of turn, buckle at times, and move around forward and backwards under heavy load or acceleration, gear changes, etc. So if you're a guy who likes to take your vehicle to track or wants a little bit more positive engagement out of the engine mounts, and they also make some transmission mount ones, this is a great way to clean it up. It just inserts right into the factory rubberized mount, and basically it adds some durability to that mount, reduces the rate of travel of that rubber, so that rubber over time can kind of become saggy and not hold up and do its job. This is going to help hold it in place and add a little bit more engagement and stiffness to the mount, so you're going to feel a little more directness with the engine as you change gears, as you heavily brake or accelerate. So a lot of guys prefer to run these really both on the street and track. Now, if you're just a street purist and you want something comfortably and smooth, going to the sport or track is probably not recommended, because it is going to bring a little bit more harshness through the cabin. But certainly if you track the vehicle or you already have some modifications to it, very nice way to clean up some of that action that takes place between gear changes and, like I said, and just different dynamic driving conditions when you're driving with Spirit or on the track. Again, these are the function first engine insert mounts. They're available for the 981 and 987 Cayman and Boxster, all variants, and a very nice part that just inserts into the factory mount. You don't have to cut anything. Pretty easy install.